Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can activate your Voxi free SIM. So to do that, you'll have to open your browser and type in activate Voxi SIM or how to activate Voxi SIM. So you'll see this website www.voxi.co.uk. So press on it and it will take you to the website, and from here you will see all the instructions that is needed. So you'll have to enter your SIM number here. As you can see, you'll need to enter the 10 digits. So to find the 10 digits, you'll have to see at the back of your Voxi SIM. As you can see, enter the 10 digits from the second and third line on your Voxi SIM card. So after the 0030 line, there is a second line and there is a third line. So there are total 10 digits. So you'll have to enter them here serially. So you will also get this number at the back of the SIM card here as well, and shown in the image as well. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to enter it correctly, and then you'll have to press choose a plan, and then you'll have to choose a plan. Then you'll have to create an account, and then it will take you to the review and pay option page, and then you'll have to confirm it. That is how you activate your Voxi SIM. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.